Hey, what's up everyone? Just wanted to record my second video for my vlog. My wife kind of called me out because in the first video, instead of saying vlog, I said vlog. So I'm just gonna stick to that for now. But so recently, Monday to be exact, I got a flat, and it wasn't like a blowout or anything, but it was because I was running like a lot of camber and just a long distance driving to work and stuff. I just wore down the tire and then I kind of lost air. So I'm just gonna show you how bad I wore the tires down and the exact area that I lost the air at. Alright, so as you can kind of see, I just wore it all the way down, past the tread, past the JCP, past the belts, and you can even see right here, that's where the ply is. And then the really bad area that caused me to go flat was right here. I don't know if you can see that. So I ate through the ply, and it's probably all the way down to the inner liner. So at that point, you know, I just couldn't hold air, and I just got a flat. And it's actually pretty bad on the other side too. So gonna try to install my rear upper control arms to pull out some of the camber. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I have time today to do that. All right, just to give you some specs on the setup that I'm currently running. These are SSR's MS1s. The front is 19 by 9 plus 24 offset, but the face didn't clear the calipers, and I'm actually, I don't know if you can see that, it's really dark, but that's I had to run a 15 mil spacers in the front, and then in the back, that's a 19 by 10 with plus 29, and I also had to run a spacer. It's about 3 mils just to clear the calipers. So I was really disappointed with this setup, the fact that I just had to run spacers. But I really like the look, just how flush it is. But I was still able to run a good bit of meat on the wheels. The rears, I'm running a 275. In the front, I'm running a 245. So I really like the stance of it, but just wish I didn't have to run the spacers. Sorry it's so dark. Show you the other side, except, you know, I had to change out that flat. So I'm running the donut over there. I guess it gives you a better idea of how it sits in the front right there. My front fenders are pulled. Kind of see a little bit from my previous setup. And the rears, they're untouched. But like I said earlier, there is a lot of camber. You can see the slant. Yeah. And then the specs on these Advins, these are the Model T6s. This is a 18 by 8 with plus 30 offset. I have the rears, which is a 18 by 9, also 30 offset. So I'm about to test fit them. Hopefully they're clear the calipers, just to get me rolling for now. Alright, so installing the rear control arm. This is the stock one, and this is the SPL one. I've already adjusted the length so that they're about the same. And you want to have enough on the rod end and enough on whatever this end is called. I think it's the what does the paperwork say? It's the adjuster end. And bolt wise, kind of like that. So this one, they're 17s. This end is a 19, and that's a 17. And location wise, it's back there. You know, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there. And the other one touches to right there. kind of dark, sorry. It's not too bad. So just gotta get this in and then go do the other side. Kind of hard to tell with the lighting, but got the camber arm installed. I already had a set of iBot sway bars front and rear, but in order to get that bolt through, I had to lower the sway bar bracket a little bit. But since I had to do that, I figured I might as well install the sway bar inlinks also that I got from SPL. These are the rears. Not sure if I'm gonna do the front today or not, but probably gonna do the rears for sure. Alright, so I bought the rear camber arms, but I forgot to buy the lockout for the stock eccentric bolts. So what I pretty much did was I took a regular 1/2-inch washer and grinding down on one edge to be able to fit the slot. And it pretty much worked pretty good on the other side, so I'm about to put it on this side, the passenger side. And it kept the bolt, you know, pretty much centered. I went to Ace Hardware, got some, you know, the highest grade bolt that they sell. Was it the, I don't know, it's the highest grade bolt that they sell over there. And pretty much that's my homemade lockout set. As you can see, I have the Advins mounted, and hopefully I'll be able to get this done before this Sunday's autocross. We'll see.